Hello, bright little minds. Welcome to Simple Stories, Smart Kids, the magical place where fairy tales giggle and animals talk back. Are you ready for a tale filled with daydreams, dancing cows, and a milkmaid with big plans? Grab your giggle shoes, because today's story might just spill the milk. Once upon a time, in a village not so far from here, lived a young milkmaid named Daisy. Daisy was known for her two great talents: balancing a heavy pail of milk on her head and letting her daydreams run wilder than the cows in her field. Early each morning, when the sun peeked over the hills, Daisy would rise with a yawn so big a butterfly could fly right in, though luckily, none ever did. One particular morning, Daisy set off for the farm with a skip in her step. She filled her pail with the creamiest, freshest milk, humming a tune she called the Cow's Lullaby. Balancing the pail expertly atop her head, she started her journey back to the village, where she would sell the milk and perhaps, just perhaps, buy herself a treat or two. But as soon as Daisy began walking, something extraordinary happened. Her imagination kicked into high gear. As she strutted down the dusty path, the milk sloshing gently above her, she began to dream out loud, tapping her chin as she thought. Daisy pondered. When I get to the market, I'll sell this milk for a shiny stack of coins. With those coins, I'll buy a basket of the freshest eggs in town. Lovely speckled eggs, perfect for hatching. I'll keep them nice and warm until pop! Out come little yellow chicks, peeping and dancing all over the place. But I won't stop there. Her grin spread wider as her imaginary farm grew richer and more fabulous. When those chicks grow up, I'll sell them for more coins, and with those coins, I'll buy myself a brand new sparkling dress. One with ribbons so long, even the village cat will want to chase them. Lost in this parade of fantastic plans, Daisy swayed down the path, chin in the air and nose tilted so high she might have sniffed a passing cloud. Of course, she didn't pay the slightest bit of attention to the path in front of her. Sheep? Pebbles? Potholes? Who has time to look out for those when you've got a dream farm to build in your mind? As she strutted, Daisy began to imagine the reactions she'd get when she wore her new dress. "Oh, Daisy, you look splendid!" the villagers would say. "Why, thank you," she'd reply with a dainty twirl. "It's all thanks to my clever thinking and hard-working hens." Buoyed by her own imagined compliments, Daisy tossed her hair with a flourish. The pail wobbled a smidge. She shrugged. What could go wrong? She pranced a little, doing a tiny skip, and then she even dared a full-on hop, just like the chicks she'd imagined. And with that, disaster struck. The pail teetered, tottered, shimmied, and shook. Before Daisy could say goodbye, golden eggs, the pail toppled off her head with a splash. The entire morning's milk emptied onto the ground, making a puddle big enough for a mouse to swim in. If that mouse had ever learned the backstroke. Daisy halted. Her dreams all crumpled at her feet, mixing with the muddy milk puddle. "Oh, milk and manners!" she groaned, thumping her forehead gently. All her beautiful plans, all the eggs, chicks, and dresses, gone in the blink of an eye and the slip of a pail. Looking at her milkless pail, Daisy could almost hear her cows back at the farm muttering to each other, "Well, that's what you get for counting your chickens before they've even hatched." She sighed, realizing they were right, though she was glad cows weren't really that chatty, or she'd never hear the end of it. But Daisy wasn't one to mope for long. She thought to herself, maybe next time I'll keep both feet and both thoughts firmly on the ground. I can dream big, but it's best to keep my eyes on the road and my milk in the pail. So Daisy picked up her now much lighter pail with a wry smile. She tiptoed back to the farm, planning an apology to the cows. Maybe a nice scratch behind the ears, or a juicy apple if she could find one. She decided the next time she had a great idea, she'd wait until the milk was safely sold before hatching any plans, especially those involving chickens and dresses. Back at the village, Daisy became something of a local legend. Whenever villagers set out with plans bigger than their baskets, someone would whisper, "Remember Daisy and her pail," and everyone would chuckle. Even Daisy laughed at herself, because if you can't laugh when your dreams take a tumble, you'd better learn to balance your pail a little better. And so, the story of Daisy the Milkmaid teaches us, It's wonderful to dream and reach for the stars, but don't let your imagination spill your milk before you've made it to market. Oh, and maybe, just maybe, practice your twirls without a pail on your head first. And that's the end of Polly's milktastic misadventure. If you had fun giggling with us, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Simple Stories, Smart Kids, and ring the bell so you never miss a drop of storytelling magic. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep laughing, and maybe hold on to that milk.